So now let's see how we can work around with the pencil tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with the pencil tool on the left side, here you can see that under draw, the pencil is an option. So here once I choose the pencil, we can go around, click and drag around to draw out freely. So let me just hold Alt on my keyboard and use the scroll mouse button to zoom in. And if I were to click and drag around, this is the pencil tool. And it is one single pixel base. So if I were to click once, you can see that it draws in one single pixel. You can also go around and choose the pencil size right here. As you can see, there's different type of brushes right here from in the pencil tool as well. And you can work around with the size of the pencil right here, as you can see, just like this. And you can work around with the opacity level as well, as you can see, to make it more opaque or more transparent, as you can see. You can go around onto the color and choose the color that you want, click and drag around, and you can see that it draws around with the same color. And you can even choose blending mode right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to choose multiply, then it uses the multiply blending mode just like this. But if I were to go around and use, let's say, for example, linear blend, then it has similar result, as you can see. So that is how you can utilize the pencil tool to draw out freely in different ways inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.